Here's project bike number 2. This is Williams Vintage Cycle in Xenia, Ohio. I got about 4 old Honda project bikes here that we're going to be selling. We just don't have the shop time or to work on them, or the space to continue storing them. We got a bunch of projects in work, and that's not even half of it there. So just going to sell this one on to a new home. This is a 1982 Honda CB650 Nighthawk. They only made this particular version 1 year. This had the single overhead cam engine in 82. It was basically the same as the old CB 550s. It was just a bigger version of that, and then in the next year they went to the twin cam version. So only made the 650 Nighthawk the single year. I think this will be a good project bike for somebody. Not sure exactly. It's got a plate on it. No plate. Not sure exactly how long it's been sitting. Pretty much this is how it came to us as a trade-in. Just show you what. Obviously, it's been repainted before. That's not the original paint. It'd probably clean up, look decent, but it's probably just a rattle can job, so nothing fancy. Seat looks like it's been recovered before, but looks like it was professionally done. Doesn't have any rips or tears or anything in it. Let's see here. I think the mufflers look pretty good on it. These have the 4x4 set up. I don't see any big rot holes or anything like that. So that exhaust system's probably is worth as much as what you get the whole bike for. Chrome looks pretty okay on the head tubes there. Calipers, I assume the calipers were dragging, so the calipers are just zip tied or pulled off the wheel and zip tied up here, so to make it so that you can roll it around. All the you'll probably want to go through the whole front brake system and clean it out, maybe rebuild it. Looks like the clamps are off the carbs there. Not sure why, but most likely you'll end up needing to rebuild those carbs anyway. I see the throttle cables aren't hooked up, so probably going to need some carb work. I see some remnants of some RTV here. Looks like somebody tried to seal up a top cover leak, so probably got an oil leak there. Probably needs a gasket. Got some engine crash bars on there. Looks pretty complete. Hand, I don't see anything missing. It's got its mirrors. Looks like she may have been down at some point. Looks like it's a little flattened out right there. Turn signals are on it. Let's see, it's got a Pirelli front tire on it. Looks, first glance, it looks alright. Let's see if there's a date code on that tire. Probably is an older tire. I'm not seeing it right offhand. It's probably right up here in hidden by the fender. Again, let's see. The cylinder looks a little wet over here, so again, probably some oil leaks going on you'll need to fix. Somebody's got a little accessory plug-in thing wired up, probably to run their cell phone or something. Let's see what we see over here. It's these exhaust pipes. Same thing. Look, pipes look like it might be the nicest part of this bike. I don't feel any problems. Just pipe feels good. Got a Pirelli on the rear. Pirelli on the rear looks like it's probably, yeah, that one's wore out. And there's that seat. Let's see, it's got showing 21,952 miles on it. Still got the original grips, it looks like. Let's see if we can get in here. Looks like she's got some rust in there. Yeah, so we'll be doing a tank treatment most likely. Oh, what else can I show you? Some scratches in the paint there. So most likely you have her on the road with carb rebuild, fix some oil leaks, repair the front brakes, and at least a rear, if not a pair of tires, and I'm sure I didn't need the battery. But there you go. We got clear title in our name on this one. So 1982 CB650 SC Nighthawk. Again, we're Williams Vintage Cycle in Xenia, Ohio. Thanks.